How to link account in Rainbow Six Siege. First things first is we have to log into our Ubisoft account because Ubisoft is the platform in which um, uh, Rainbow Six is represented to. So pull up your preferred web browser and then head for Ubisoft. You just have to click on the first link right here and then you'll be routed to their Ubisoft official page. Once you're here, make sure that you have logged into your account. And after logging in, click on your profile picture right here. And then go to account management. Now from account management, go to account information and then scroll down. Now under linked accounts, this is where you can link your account to any of those platforms like PlayStation Network, Discord, Facebook, Xbox, YouTube, Twitch, and so on and so forth. You'll just have to click on the blue button right here. If you want to link Discord to your Rainbow Six Siege, just click on that and just follow through process. And that's how you link your Rainbow Six Siege accounts.